I just pulled that gas tank out of this 67 El Camino. So I was going to recap the steps to remove the gas tank. First step over here. This screws on, you got to get the little gas cap hatch off. A couple bolts on that. Then you have to remove the neck. The neck goes up underneath into this hole. You can see right in here, there's one screw holds the gas tank neck in. It looks like this. Well, that doesn't take too long. After that, you have to go under the car